Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Microsoft account. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And now that I've said that, this is how you can do it. So first up, open up your favorite browser and type in the exact same words, which is aka.ms/close account. Type enter. And once you type in the aka.ms/close account link, this will pop up. Sign into your Microsoft account. Once you're done signing into your account, this page will pop up, which will give you all the necessary info that is related to closing your account. Yes, deleting your account is the same as closing your account. That's what Microsoft's terms are. You can see these are all the necessary information that you need to study or read before you delete your account for the good. So once you've done and checked all the boxes, just click on next. And you can see there are a bunch of boxes here. Just read all of them carefully and check them. Once you're done doing that, just go down below and select a reason why you want to delete this account. Let's say this account was hacked. Mark account for closure. Once you tap on that, now your account will be closed. Just remember that there is a 60 days trial period, which means within the 60 days, if you log into your account again, the account deletion process will be reverted, which means your account will be coming back to normal. But if you want to delete the account for good, just make sure you don't log in into your account for the next 60 days. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you do that, your account is gone. And yeah, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.